problem from LeetCode. We are asked to return the medium of two sorted array. They are giving us two arrays, nums1 and nums2. So we have to merge those two arrays and return the medium number from the new array. So for example, right? So this two arrays, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the first array, 5, 6, and 7 in the second array. So if we join those two arrays, we get this new array. So if we look through this, it's very easier to find the medium array. That would be 4 because there's a 3 on this side, there's 3 on the other side, then the middle number would be 4. Okay, if you look at the length of this array, the length of it would be an odd number. So we have 7 in total. So that's very easy to find. But if the length of it is even, if we remove the 4 from that array and remove it from here too, now we get an even number. So that's gonna be very difficult to find. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 2 on this side, then we end up with 3 and 5. So how do we find then the medium? So to find the medium, we have to add 3 and 5 will be 8, and we divide it by 2. It gives us what? It gives us 4. Okay, so let's get started. I'm using Python to solve this problem. So what I will do first, I will concatenate those two arrays. That would be nums1 plus nums2. Once I join those two arrays together, then I have to sort it out. Then we'll give it a nums. So that I will use this method. Then say once it's sorted, then I have to find the medium. The medium number will be mid length nums divided by 2. Okay, once we get the medium, then we have to figure out if it's an even or odd length of this sorted array. So that would be if len num nums modulo 2 not equal to 0. Then we return nums mid. Okay, else. Okay, it will be nums mid minus 1 plus nums. Okay, then we return okay, hope we get it right. Okay, I think I see the problem. The indentation is wrong. Let me run it again. Okay, says expected to. Okay, so we got it right. Let's change this one, change it to 4. Okay, we get 2.5. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so that is the correct answer. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you enjoy, like this video, and thank you for watching. See you next time.